A sneeze begins with irritation inside the nose, triggering muscles in your face to tense and prepare for a sudden, powerful reflex. These signals travel rapidly through your nerves to the brainstem, which coordinates the entire sneeze reflex in milliseconds. As the reflex peaks, the muscles around your eyes contract automatically, tightening your eyelids without your control. Closing your eyes protects them from pressure spikes and flying particles released during the explosive burst of the sneeze. Old myths suggested the eyes closed for mystical reasons, but science shows it's simply a protective reflex built into your anatomy. After the sneeze, the reflex fades and your eye muscles relax again, letting you open your eyes normally.